welcome to AFT 24/7. This is Radhika Sharma and one Radhika meeting another one, Radha Bhatt.
Yes.
Hello ma'am, how are you?
Hi Radhika, I'm very well. So good to meet Radhika and Radha. Yes.
We'll have a short, rapid fire round.
ठीक है.
So first question to you. One role you want to play before you stop working?
I don't want to stop working, yaar. I want to work till the end of my breath on this planet. But I want to do like a superwoman ka role for sure. Like a hero, Marvel studio hero.
You look
Heroine
like one.
type. Oh, I'm looking like one. Please cast me for this then.
A co-actor you always inspire you on set to work with?
Actor who always inspired me on set. I think Sunil Grover. He's a fantastic actor. He's so versatile, and I think the comic timing, the effort he puts, everything is so good about him. I would love to get that comic timing from him.
A character you found hardest to play?
I think Shwetlana on Zindagi Ki Mehak, क्योंकि वो बिल्कुल अलग थी. मैं वहाँ सिंपल सी लड़की, and then she's high fashion with all this jewelry and the makeup and all. It was too difficult for me, and I remember that मुझे बहुत मुश्किल हो रही थी to get in, like कोई इतना negative कैसे हो सकता है, कोई इतना गलत कैसे सोच सकता है किसी को मारने के बारे में.
Typical सास बहू types.
सास बहू, it was so evil, and I could not even match the evility of that character. But after a few weeks, I started getting गालियाँ on my social media, and I realized ये तो बहुत गलत हो रहा है. So my director said, you're doing a good job.
One director you want to work with?
I think Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
Of course, everyone's favorite.
Absolutely, my favorite. Would love to.
OTT or television? What gives you more creative, style?
I think as long as I'm in front of the camera, nothing matters.
Okay. Dream project you're still, waiting for?
I think I want to do a character of a superwoman. I said, like a superhero, and something like a Jodha types. Something who's like कुछ पुराने mythological hero, कोई महारानी types रही होगी, I think.
Okay.
And Bhoot also. I can play a very good Chudail also. I feel that.
Movies like Stree and...
Stree, yeah. I think I can do very well in that. Yeah.
Okay, so one actor you'd love to collaborate with?
Rajkumar Rao. Yeah.
He's a fantastic actor.
He's a lovely actor. And yeah, I think Rajkumar Rao for sure. Yeah. No change.
A rumor about you that wasn't true?
A rumor about me that wasn't true. That, I don't know. What was that? Actually, I'm a very harmless person. There are no rumors about me, yaar. Actually, you will just go and check, there is no rumor. There's no gossip about me. I'm so sorted in that way.
One thing the industry taught you the hard way?
Oh wow, this is a very good question. That you don't have to give in to the narratives of others.
Yeah.
कि उनकी जो कहानियाँ आपके बारे में, आपको you don't have to give in to that. You have to be solid in who you are as a person, so grounded that nothing can shake you and break you.
A role you said no and you are not regretting it?
There is a regret, but the role I've said no, and I think I've said no to so many things. Yeah, I don't know. I mean, if it just doesn't align with me as a person, I think मेरे बहुत ज़रूरी है कि मैं किन लोगों के साथ काम कर रही हूँ.
Yeah.
मतलब टीम बहुत मैटर करती है, मेरे लिए लोग बहुत मैटर करते हैं, क्योंकि मेरे को काम is one aspect of me, but where I'm going, what kind of energy I'm putting in where. So अगर वो align नहीं करती तो मैंने बहुत सारी चीज़ों को no बोला है. I've said a lot of no to many TV serials also.
TV serials, yeah, of course. Did you ever get the chance to, any offers from Bigg Boss and something like that?
Bigg Boss, not really. I'm a non-controversial person. कोई मसाला नहीं मिलेगा मेरी life से यार. I'm boring.
Very simple and subtle.
Very simple and sorted.
Okay.
Yeah, but the masala ऐसा नहीं मिलेगा. Ask my husband, he'll tell you the masala thing.
One word to describe yourself as an actor?
I think range. I think I'm very blessed because the way I look, I can carry different range. Like from like a small town woman, भोपाल की एक simple सादी लड़की से लेकर from Mrs. Ahuja to Aditi in physics वाला to Shwetlana in जिंदगी की महक, मेरी range बहुत है look wise, and I think I can also play in alignment with the characters I play. So versatility is something which I think I have as a gift.
If not an actor, of course you were in corporate, I heard that, but if not an actor, what would you be doing right now?
I'm already doing, like as a coach I work, as a mentor, I work as a trauma-informed coach. I help people, artists, entrepreneurs, each and everyone to come out of the emotional drama I was talking about, which we create in our head because of our own experiences in life. So I think that is what I'm doing. So acting and working as a trauma-informed coach.
A character that is very close to your heart.
A character which is close to my heart. Actually, the सुजीत सरकार वाला ad जो किया था ना, जिसमें वो बच्चों को डांटती है 10 रुपए के नोट के लिए, that mother I played.
Yeah.
I think that is very close to, because she says nothing. There is no dialogue, but everything is getting emoted by her presence, her body language. I think that's very close to me. क्योंकि वो आज भी बड़ा relevant है. A lot of people still, after 7-8 years,
Yeah.
I still get tagged on that ad, and I mean it is traveling all over the place.
Okay, the one last question. What emoji describes you the most?
What emoji describes me the
Yeah.
most? I think I'm like that the smiley one I always send to people. There's no emoji. There's no emoji. I don't know.
The smiley one, I guess.
The smile or the heart one, like the red heart is me.
The smiley one kissing the red heart.
No, only the heart or the smile. The smiling face is my emoji. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you, ma'am, for
Thank
your
you
conversation.
so
For
much.
this beautiful conversation.
Thank you. Oh my
Stay
God, I
tuned
spoke
to
a lot.
AAFT 24/7.